Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm gonna be making this amazing beef stew. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. Now let's cook. Okay guys, here we have our cubed beef. Now I'm washing this in cold water. Now I'm going to be washing it for the second time with a lemon. Now guys, this is optional. You guys don't have to, scratch what I said. Just wash your beef, guys, okay? Just wash it, please. So guys, here I'm washing the beef for the second time with a lemon. If you guys don't have lemon, you can use a lime or vinegar or even salt if you guys don't have. So guys, this is 2 pounds of beef. Now I'm seasoning it with Maggi all-purpose season, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, oregano. Now I'm gonna use my hand and rub all the season in, just making sure that it is well seasoned, guys. Now before I even did this, I went ahead and I trimmed the excess fat from the beef, you know, just so that it's more palatable. Guys, I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of brown, and if you guys don't have brown, you can go ahead and use soy sauce, and I'm just using this for color. This also is optional, guys. This is optional. You guys don't have to use this. I'm just using it for color. Now guys, I will list all the ingredients down in the description below along with its measurements. So now in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding my beef one at a time. Now be sure not to overcrowd your beef because you don't want to steam it. We're going for a beautiful golden brown sear color, guys. Now I will be searing these for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So now that we've achieved the perfect sear, I'm removing the beef. Now I'm gonna be repeating the same step with the second batch. Now in the same skillet, I'm gonna be adding some onion, chopped onion to be exact, and I'm gonna saute these for 30 seconds. Now guys, I'm adding my beef. You can also go ahead and add red wine just to deglaze the pan. I'm using chicken broth because I just didn't want the alcohol, you know, in my diet at this moment. So I'm using broth. I'm gonna let this cook for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, this is exactly how it looks. It's not fully cooked as yet, but I'm gonna stir that and allow it to cook for an additional 30 minutes. Now guys, I'm adding more water to it, and now, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna let it cook for an additional 30 minutes. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna be chopping my veggies, which includes carrot, celery, onion, and potato. Now guys, I'm adding my veggies even though the stew isn't fully cooked as yet. The beef, I must say, it's not fully cooked as yet, but I'm gonna add the veggies and allow it to simmer for an additional 45 minutes to an hour on medium heat. Now guys, this is after 30 minutes. I'm just checking to see if the beef is fully cooked, and it's not quite there as yet. It's not quite there as yet guys, but almost. So I'm gonna give it an additional 30 minutes to cook. Now guys, you want to go ahead and taste your stew just to make sure that it's to your liking. Now guys, I'm adding my brown gravy, and this is a Clubhouse brand. This is something that I've used in the past, and I realized that I enjoyed this gravy, so I'm going to be using it for a second time, and I'm using 2 packets. Now if you don't have the gravy and you want to make it from scratch, you can go ahead and do so, or you can even make a roux and thicken your gravy with it. Now guys, finally our stew is finito. Love it guys. It was so tender, juicy. Oh my goodness. This is the first stew I've ever prepared on my channel, and this was recommended by someone on Instagram. I also had a lamb stew that I'm supposed to make. Also, I'll probably be doing that soon. But yeah, guys, this recipe was amazing. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Remember to subscribe, guys, like, comment, and share. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.